Hello friends, this is Aaheli and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to study topics of descriptive statistics, which are, the first is types of scales. There are 4 types of scales and a definition, which is true zero. Okay, let's start one by one. Our first scale is nominal scale. What is nominal scale? It is a measurement scale that classifies the data into distinct category in which no order or ranking can be implemented among the categories. These are the keywords, okay? So what did we understand the categories? Or not the categories, I meant characteristics. Characteristics are, the first one is lowest level of measurement. Next can be, it characterizes the data without any order or ranking, right? The next can be, which is the last characteristic actually, it gives values which are labels or names. Okay? So, can you think of an example which fits to nominal scale? Let me give you some, okay? There can be data which are characterized based on gender, blood group, political view. There can be many, okay? I just wrote 3. Now coming to our next level, next scale actually. It can be also represented as level because this is the lowest level. Now we're going to come to the next level or the next scale, which is ordinal scale. Ordinal scale. What is ordinal scale? It is a measurement of scale that characterizes data into ordered category. Very much namely, right? We can understand from the name only. Yes, so it is a measurement of scale that characterizes data into ordered category. But the difference between the categories are not quantifiable. This is very important. But do you understand the meaning of not quantifiable? It means in this scale, the order matters, but not the magnitude of difference. So what does this mean? It means the order matters. Definitely it does. But the magnitude of difference does not matter. Okay? Now, can you give me some examples for this? I'm sure that you can give me many, but let me write only 2, 3, okay? First can be educational level. Like class 1, 2, 3. Can you just say the magnitude of difference for it? No, right? Like the same way, we can say satisfaction level. There is one way to show our satisfaction level, right? Which is through ratings. So of course you're free and I insist to rate my class and say what type of scale is it. Ordinal scale, right? Yes. Now coming to our next scale actually, which is interval scale. What is interval scale again? It is a numeric scale. We can understand through the name only. It is a numeric scale, where the difference between values is meaningful. The numbers are meaningful right here. So it is a numeric scale where the difference between values is meaningful and consistent, I must say. Or else how will it be meaningful? So here we get numerical data where equal interval between values are meaningful, but the ratio is not. Now here is the part. Ratio is not. This is important. The ratio is not meaningful and true zero is absent. True zero is absent. Now what do I mean by true zero? I'll define it later on this lecture only. So let's hold on to that. Just for now you can understand true zero is a zero which is complete emptiness or like complete absent of any numerical data. I'll come to the definition in the later part, okay? Yes, so what can be the examples for interval scale? It can be calendar year. It can be temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. All right. So yes, now coming to our next scale, which is our last scale, it is ratio. What is ratio scale? It is a quantitative scale. Fully quantitative, fully numerical, because you know what, ratio, right? So yeah, it is a quantitative scale that has equal intervals and a true 0 point, allowing for the full range of mathematical operation, which includes zero. All right. So what does it include? It includes intervals, equal intervals, or else it cannot be a zero, cannot be a ratio, right? So it includes equal intervals and true zero, and a true 0 point. Now, it is the highest level of measurement. As I said, the first one, which is nominal scale, where is nominal scale? Yes, it is the lowest level of measurement. And now, in the ratio, we understand it as highest level of measurement. It has all the properties like categorization, ordering, equal intervals, and true zero. So it is called the highest level of measurement. All right. What can be the example for it? It is very basic, like height, weight, income. You can add many. How do I say? Age, distance, anything, etc. You can add many as you wish. Now, coming to the definition of true zero. What is true zero? A true zero is also called absolute zero in measurement, referring to a point on a scale that indicates the complete absence of the quantity being measured. Like this is used for measurement scale, okay? Now in reference to this measurement scale, we can say that it refers to a point on that scale which indicates complete absence of the quantity being measured. Of the quantity being measured. Okay, so a true zero is a value on a measurement scale that represents complete absence of the attribute or phenomena being measured, allowing for meaningful ratio in all arithmetic operations, including multiplication and division. So it allows the statement like you know what? We usually use it like half as much. We're referring to the point of ratio scale, right? You're understanding it? Half as much, twice as much. So yes, true zero helps in this. Now, in our next lecture of descriptive statistics, we will study method of data collection, which will be a little longer lecture because it includes many points. Okay, it has. Let me tell you a brief about it. Method of data collection includes two types, which is primary data collection, and the next is secondary data collection. So we'll talk about it nicely in detail in our next lecture. So stay tuned. Please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Keep learning. Bye bye. Take care.